end of this video, we are going to learn how to insert table of figure in Microsoft Word. If you want to insert table of figures, simply click on table, select the table and right click on it. Then go to insert caption, write the caption of your table. Select the label and choose the position. I want to show the caption in the below of selected item. Simply hit on OK. Then go to another table, same setting. Then go to insert caption, insert the caption name. Same setting, hit on OK. Now, if you want to add insert table of figure, go to first of the page, go to insert tab, insert a blank page. Here you can see our blank page. Now, go to reference tab. Here you can see the option insert table of figure. Simply click on it. Go to formats, select from template and caption label table. Okay, now click on OK. You can see here is our existing table of figure. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe the channel for more new interesting tutorials.